reading habit since their childhood. And for that, government has launched Shambar Divas Abhiyan, means 100 days reading campaign. So the Vachan Abhiyan launch किया गया. उस Vachan Abhiyan was distributed amongst 14 weeks, and as per that 14 weeks, I'll be skipping few slides. I'll be taking you what practice we are doing as a school librarian. So under that 14 weeks program, child was introduced to library, child was given exposure to reading material, child was made to sit with parent. First was visit to them, and it was launched in pandemic, so we had planned virtual visit to library. Then one book should be issued to child, and child should read that book in presence of adult member, and fourth week child should present that book. So I will be taking you to one by one. These activities conducted under 14 weeks. Each activity one theme was given. So these activity conducted week wise. First was to introduce reading material to child, make that child read in presence of parent. Then theme wise few activities, few weeks activity we had given here, taken here. So you will come to know. Theme was announced on Monday. We conducted activity in 3 days, and fourth day they had submitted activity. In such activity, children had given exposure. First was the visit to library. Second was whatever read they should narrate in their own words. Then fourth activity, they had given poem recitation, poetry reading. Then next activity was making food recipes for grandparents. Then seventh week activity, they should recommend books whatever they read for their friends. Then eighth week activity, they should read in their own language. My government has launched usage of regional language. What a language spoken at home, that is easily understood by each and every child. And some children have phobia about the English. Somehow Hindi, South Indian comes, they don't speak Hindi. So that phobia should be removed and concept should be discussed in mother language. So like that way they started usage of regional language in morning assembly. Then pedagogy, storytelling implemented to each subject. Before starting lesson, teacher used to narrate one story or background history to children. So during that time, they started usage of regional language. एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव. Under those activity, we started different program. Self-prepared dictionary given to children. Whatever reading, while reading they came across new words. They should list out and they should prepare their self-prepared dictionary. They should present their book talk, and through this activity, as Deepa madam narrated, we should inculcate critical thinking among students, creative thinking among students. Among those activities, we conducted online debate competition during pandemic. Opportunities given to children at their doorstep, and participants spontaneously presented during session. Different judges from different states, they had given their excellent service during those activities. Then mass participation. No child should be left behind. Under that theme, NEP says each child should get chance. Just I inform, it was narrated by each speaker here. रट्टा मारना और लिखना, उसके अलावा एक्सप्रेस करना, जो पढ़ा है बोलने आना. Child should get that skill. Whatever they read, they should narrate, they should express. And amongst the group, they should communicate. Collaboration and coordination. So like that way we conducted activity and story enactment in groups. One story read by that group, characters, dialogue distributed amongst them. They coordinated those dialogue and they presented those story amongst the classes. So like this way, they written their script. They are prepared on their English lesson. They are prepared on their earlier class lesson. So like this way, preparation of particular subject also done through NAP, and story enactment content has given the creativity. Children had created scene. Children had written script. They coordinated amongst the character and they conveyed moral to the audience. So like this way, different event celebration. So 14-week activities, life of social freedom fighters should be shared with children to get moral, and they should be motivated by sharing those life stories of freedom fighters or social famous personalities of India. So under that activity, we have conducted Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary, which is all over world celebrated as a Reading Inspiration Day. On that day, we showed in the form of skit Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's childhood story, the way he started his schooling, college education, and how he reached from village to president. So like this way, as per National Education Policy, library is not left up to the counter to issue and return. Library should prepare e-content for students and reach at their doorstep. So like this way, e-content help, and being a school librarian, we started this project from class 1 to class 8 under 3 groups, 1 to 3 to 5 and 6 to 8. As per the Government of India's 100 Days Reading Campaign, child got opportunity to present as a character, and after reaching there, at least child has spoken at least few sentences about that character. At last, I would like to conclude. We started Constitution Awareness Program. Under that program, fundamental rights and fundamental duties, it was presented by students amongst the group, and script was written by them, scene was created by them. So through this, we are integrating subject. Library is not only issue and return, but we integrated subject with other subject, and subject integrated activity we started under NEP 2020. And through this way, we had completed 6 fundamental rights and complete life story of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We conducted author meet using regional language.
Suchata, we need to wind up now.
Yes. So here I would like to conclude. Library not only try to empower student as a critical thinker, enthusiastic reader, skillful researcher, ethical user of information. Till date we try to ensure staff and student are effective user of ideas and information. But as per NEP, we are trying. Child should have critical thinking, creative thinking, analytical skill, and conceptual clarity. Means child's overall development is taken care as per the National Education Policy. Thank you.